consider divide 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1. Here the divisor is binomial. When binomial, we are dividing with binomial, then also we have to follow the same rules. Okay, so first divisor is x plus 1, so you have to write x plus 1 like this, and the dividend is 3x square plus x minus 1. Okay, here we have to write the steps. So first we have to do the step 1. So what quotient we have to write to decide that we have to do step 1. So step 1, in this step 1, the first term of dividend, that is 3x square, by the first term, that is x, 3x square by x. If you do this, then you get 3 into x by x. X will get cancelled. So 3x is the first term of this quotient. This is step 1. And come to step 2. In this step 2, we have to multiply this term and the divisor total terms. Here there are two terms, because it is binomial, you have to multiply with x plus 1. Then you will get 3x into x, that is 3x square, plus 3x into 1, then you get 3x. So in order you have to write here, that is 3x square plus 3x. Similar terms you have to write under similar terms. Okay, so then you have to do the subtraction. While doing subtraction, you have to change the symbols. It is plus symbol, so it will become minus. This is also minus. If you observe that plus 3x square minus 3x square both will get cancelled. And next, plus x, it is minus 3x. So if you observe, plus 1x and minus 3x. In case of integer, we did like this. Plus 1 means 1 plus. Minus 3 means minuses or 3. Then what will happen? 1 plus 1 minus will get cancelled. You will get minus symbols 2. So you get minus 2. Similarly, here also you get the number is minus 2 and the term is x. So you will get minus 2x. So you have to write minus 2x here. And this minus 1 you have to drop this minus 1. Now in each and every step you have to observe, this is the new one, new dividend, and this is the divisor. So observe the degree. Here the degree is 1, here also the degree is 1. So you have to do the next step also. Okay, now in next step also we have to consider the same steps. So first, step 3. In step 3 also you have to do the first term, that is here minus 2x by the first term is x. X will get cancelled, you will get minus 2. So this is the next term of quotient, minus 2 you have to write here. And in step 4, so this term minus 2 you have to multiply with this divisor x plus 1. Then minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus into plus, minus 2 ones are 2. So you have to write 2x minus 2. Minus 2x minus 2, sorry. Minus 2x minus 2, like this. And after that you have to do the subtraction. While doing subtraction, symbols will be changed. Here it is minus, so change the symbol, it becomes plus. Here it is minus, change the symbol, it becomes plus. If you observe that minus 2x, this is plus 2x. Minus 2x plus 2x will get cancelled. You will get minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is here. Minus 1 means minus symbol 1. Plus 2 means plus symbols 2. What will happen? 1 plus 1 minus will get cancelled. You get plus 1. So here you will get plus 1. This is the remainder. Here you have to stop the process, because when if you observe the degree of this new divisor, the degree here, the degree is equal to 0, and here the degree of this divisor is 1. So when you compared these two, the degree must be lesser, then you have to stop the process. Or if you get the remainder 0, then also you have to stop the dividing process. Okay, so this becomes the coefficient. Okay, here if you observe, the remainder is 1. Okay, just if you observe the remainder, if you observe the remainder, that is 1 here, and the divisor, if you observe the divisor is equal to x plus 1. Okay, observe the 0 of this divisor, 0 of this x plus 1. So 0 of this divisor is, we have to equate to that 0, then x is equal to plus 1 becomes minus 1. This is the 0 of the divisor. Now just observe that the given dividend, letter dividend is equal to p of x. For example, p of x, what is p of x here? 3x square plus x minus 1 is our dividend. Then just observe that, find the value of p of minus 1 here. So we get 3 into minus 1 whole square plus x, that is minus 1 minus 1. If you observe that, 3 into minus 1 whole square means minus 1 into minus 1. Okay, so minus into minus plus, 1 ones are 1. That means here you will get 1, and plus into minus minus 1, and already minus 1 is there. So if you observe that, 3 ones are 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1. If you observe that, this 1 is equal to our remainder 1. This is our remainder 1, and here you got the remainder 1. So you can find the remainder directly without doing this division. Okay, if they ask find the remainder, then you can simply follow this process.